Energetica India is at REI Expo 2023, and today we have with us Mr. Aditya Singhania, Director of Navitas Solar. Could you please take us through the business journey of your company along with its vision and mission?
So Navitas Solar was established in 2013 and we started our first production in 2015. So we started with a humble capacity of 75 megawatts per annum. Currently we are at 500 megawatts per annum capacity, and by the end of January 2024 we are setting up a new line. So our total capacity will reach up to 1.7 gigawatts. With the newer plant, we have actually targeted a 4 gigawatt plus capacity, which will be completed in the next couple of years.
Could you please tell us more about the new plant, about the product range and all?
So the newer plant is located in Surat itself. We are starting with a 1.2 gigawatt capacity in the newer plant. The newer plant is a state-of-the-art, fully automatic production unit. With capacity to produce multi-bus bar, half-cut, double glass and TOPCon modules. So the primary objective of the newer plant is to serve the bigger customer and IPPs. Also, a main focus of the newer plant will be exports. So we are aggressively looking at the US market for it. And we are also setting up a new 1.2 megawatt plant in USA itself. So the USA market will be catered by the domestic production there, made in USA, and also we will export some of the quantities from India that is made in India.
Congratulations, sir. And what steps are you taking to ensure quality products?
So Navitas is a very quality focused company, and for this goal we have also set up a backward integrated company for us, Navitas Alpha Renewables Private Limited, wherein we produce and manufacture EVA, EPE as well as backsheets that are being used in the current and upcoming module technologies.
Besides the new plants, what have been the recent developments and achievements of your company?
So Navitas Solar has recently raised some private equity from the market. This shows a strong trust that Navitas has been able to build through its process and production in the past 7-8 years. Also, the transparency level and the faith that people have in us is directly reflected through the equity infusion that is from the open market and not related directly to us.
What new does your company have in store to showcase for Renewable Energy India Expo 2023?
So in this expo, the main product that we have launched is the double glass half-cut TOPCon panel. This will range from 680 watt peak to a 700 watt peak in a single panel. This will drastically improve the BS cost that the end user or the IPP has to occur. So this reduces the overall system cost by a great margin, and this directly translates to reduced energy cost for the end consumer.
That's great, sir. And besides TOPCon, what are the emerging technologies in the solar industry?
So multi-contact cells is one of the technologies that is upcoming. It has not been widely accepted as of now, except for a couple of companies. But Navitas Solar is also prepping up and setting up its line so that we can cater to that demand as well.
That's great, sir. Could you shed some light on the company's upcoming projects along with the future roadmap?
So Navitas has now also started doing a lot of utility scale projects.
Okay.
We are setting up multiple solar parks within Gujarat and Maharashtra to cater to the megawatt demand for the end user. So many of the companies that require 2, 3, 4 megawatt solar park and do not have the roof space available for them. So we are setting up an end-to-end solution solar park for them, wherein everything from licensing, connection to an installation is being taken care of by Navitas.
That's great, sir. What, according to you, does India stand in the global RE scenario? What gives us an edge and what more needs to be done?
So Indian solar market has been picking up very aggressively in the past couple of years, with the current target being set by the government of 100 gigawatt plus installed capacities. The domestic requirement for the panels has been increasing drastically. Also because of the COVID and the geopolitical scenario going on right now. A lot of the Western countries have shifted their focus from, say, China to India for their production and module requirements. So I think India is very, very well placed to cater to the Western markets right now.